Giana Rose is an American dancer, actress and social media personality born on May 21, 2011. She is a young, beautiful-looking and gorgeous girl with an attractive and charming personality. As a member of the Rock Squad YouTube collective, Giana collaborates with other young influencers, sharing daily adventures, pranks, challenges and vlogs. By 6, she was a member of the Boston Celtics Jr dance team. From a young age, Giana showed a keen interest in dancing. She began participating in dance competitions at the tender age of 4, quickly establishing herself as a dance prodigy. Giana grew up alongside her siblings who, like her, are passionate about the arts. She has been featured in commercial advertisements for Macy's, Hasbro, Kohl's, Care.com and Wayfair. Her good looks and bright personality have made her a fan favorite and people can't seem to get enough. She appeared on the Hulu original series Castle Rock. She was the star of the International Day of the Girl campaign. She has lived in California with her parents and older brother. Giana has been named a DNCR Academy Legend for Matt Stefania and has performed for renowned choreographers like Guy Amir and Abby Lee Miller. Her talent did not go unnoticed, and she soon started gaining recognition and acclaim for her roles. Over the years, she has established herself as a formidable young actress, admired for her skills and talent.